of Allah, the most gracious, the most merciful. Assalamu alaikum. I am going to make a dates bread. It's my own recipe. Note down the ingredients for this bread. Number 1, half tablespoon yeast, 1/4 tablespoon salt, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 to 6 dates, half cup milk, 1 cup all-purpose flour, cooking oil and 1 yolk. Let's start it. Pour milk in a bowl. Add yeast, salt and sugar. Mix them. And leave it 3 to 5 minutes. Now I will remove the kernels of dates. For this recipe you will take soft dates. After 3 to 5 minutes, we will add all-purpose flour and mix it well. Make a dough. We will add 2 tablespoons cooking oil. Making best dough, we will use hands. Make hard dough. Now dough is ready. Dough is ready. We will leave the dough for an hour. Apply some oil on it. Cover with wrapping sheet. After 1 hour, we will check it. Dough is raised. And now we will make small balls. Spread some flour. Making bread. Now we will flat the bread in oval shape with roller pin. Like this. We will get dates. Keep them inside for filling. Now I will cut both sides like this, 1 inch distance. We'll make cut both sides and the other side same. You see I make 1 inch cut both side and get one part this side and the other, join them like this. Make cross and close the bread. Beat the egg yolk. Apply egg yolk on top of it. You can spread sesame seed on it, but right now I don't have sesame seed at home. Now it's ready for fry. You can bake it also. Now keep the pan on the stove. Turn on stove. Pour oil on it. Allow it to heat. Now keep bread in the pan for frying. Keep the heat of the stove low. Change side. Let it cool down and then serve it. How is my recipe? Please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon and don't forget to like and share it. Thank you.